How to download Lenovo Vantage without Microsoft Store. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up web browser on your PC, tap on the search bar, and search for Lenovo Vantage download. Now scroll down and tap on Softonic website. Now click on free download. Now wait for the download to complete. Now after the file is downloaded, open the zip file and run this exe file. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or a such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.